This video contains mature themes, strong language, and adult content. Viewer discretion is advised. The views and opinions expressed by the participants are solely their own and do not necessarily reflect those of the producers or affiliated entities. Some scenes may be reenacted or dramatized for educational, cultural, or narrative purposes. Parental guidance is strongly recommended.
This is Deceivers, here to call. Rational Living Channel, we stand tall. We cut through lies, we break the chains. Exposing cheaters, we bring the pain. No more whispers, no more games. We shine the light, we stake our claims. With sharper tongues and clearer views, we bring the truth, you can't refuse. We're the voice of the betrayed. No more silence, we're unafraid. With every story we ignite the flame. Unmasking deceivers, we stake our name. Unapologetic, we won't back down. We're here to fight. We wear the crown. Cheers, beware. We're on your trail in this battle of truth. We will prevail. This is our moment. This is our fight. We'll expose the darkness, bring forth the light. Deceivers tremble, your time is up. We're the reckoning, we'll fill your cup. With every heartbeat we push ahead. No more hiding, we're painted red. The truth will rise, the lies will fall. In this arena we'll conquer all. That's enough.
On a short notice, since you contacted us, I think it's about a month ago.
Yes.
The boys, they've been working hard, and today they've got some information. So for the past 4 weeks, our investigation, they've been following your sister-in-law, and there's a guy that she's been seen walking with. They've been to the cinemas together. They've been to a lodge together, a hotel together. Right now, we know where they are, and this is why we called you today. We've got evidence for you. They are down there. Our security said they are down there. That's why we called you today. So you can see it for yourself. They're down there. Oh, it's up to you.
Okay. Then I have to tell my brother. We almost seen. Akekho lana. Njengoba ehlezi nje engekho nje mawumfuna akekho. Yazi ukuthi bemtholileke manje ukuthi ulaphi. Ukhona lapha yana lenzansi.
Hayi ngeke sabe nazo.
Ima wait. Manje imafuqa. Sunetazela uzofika iyoneke manje lento.
Awu ngiyakuzwa.
Bana yonke information, okay? Ya so balandela njengamanje bazosikhombisa ukuthi ulaphi. Then we have to go.
Futhi sisasambeni sisoza baleke futhi.
Hayi ima phela bhuti wami ima.
Nalindaba zakwakho wena. Ohlala usiqobo ekhaya wena. Asabe Ukhazele kahle. Ngane bala leshinji. Wenzani mfana nami? Kusirinyaphi?
She's married. I don't care. I don't care.
Wanna say something?
I don't care.
What?
I don't care. Because I love you.
You should have told your husband.
Tell my husband what? What? What am I saying to my husband?
Are you drunk or something?
I'm not drunk. He's my man.
You could have told
Forever.
We want
Told
you
him
here
what?
today.
What?
No.
She's married.
He's my baby
I don't
daddy.
care.
Huh?
I don't care.
This one is my baby daddy.
No, listen, you should have asked her to tell her husband that the relationship is over. Then you can
No,
start.
the relationship
I don't
is
care
over.
about
What?
the relationship.
It was long
I don't
over.
care.
Did you tell him though?
It didn't
No, I
tell him
didn't.
because he loved
So how was he supposed to know the relationship?
Hi, Bo. He could have seen.
Jesus Christ.
Hi, Bo.
Hey, what's this?
Where is that?
Yeah, you went.
This is Deceivers, here to call. Rational Living Channel, we stand tall. We cut through lies, we break the chains. Exposing.
Hey,
wena ulala naye lo indaba ekhuluma ngayo.
Udadewethu lo. Udadewethu wena. Kasiswala singisona uya nophethe kakhulu. Wembani ngithathe police.
Awuyifuna nawe bhuti lada ngazo wawatshelwa nawe.
Umthathe police sosibizana. Hayi.
Angisilandela kona ukuthi akusize.
Could have told your husband that
Angeke
you're married.
Told her what?
You should have told him.
Told him what?
But why are you doing this?
I don't want him.
Why are you forcing him? Why are you forcing him to tell her?
Wena belula ngejaba zakho wena man. Unafaza ukahle wena kahle.
Hayi washo uthathe uthoba. Ungasho uthathe uthoba. Kunale singisisenu.
Wena, get out of here. You have to go back to your home.
Mina mfuna lo. Musinkomo zami
I'm trying to help you. When I don't want to explain to you, when 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 interview la.
I know it's a net. I just want to get to be reasonable. So we have long ended. I want to help you. I want to help you.
Racist deceivers, here to call. Rational living channel, we stand tall. We cut through lies.
Awukho amabodini amasimba. Lokhu uthi amabodini amasimba.
Ngidlangsuthe.
Ngiyabona bekwengichaze. Thathi phaya wami uyisele lo. Thathi phaya uyisele.
Wena ungangitsheli lokho wena.
Ubomvu kangaka uyise phambili.
Yes.
6 years. You could have told him.
Told him what?
The marriage is over.
Then he can't do the thing. Yes. Sex, man. We're talking about
She
sex.
could have told him
Thathi phaya wami
that the
ngezi phaya
marriage
ngokho
is
kene
over.
phaya.
We won't be here today.
You don't know late ngala.
Why do you tell him?
Wena sipho man. Ubona amathika. Abo skak.
Okay.
Skak.
Ibingane.
Ah, yabona inkaka zakho sipho. Sipho la utshele inkaka zakho zinhle.
Ibingane wena. Yabona nina bawuthu. Niyalalana nina. Nina nabawuthu niyalalana nina. Niyaheza nina. Awungishwela mina. Wena. Wena thanda ukujeka wena.
Ayini kanti.
Wena niyaheva nina nabawuthu. Niyaheva nabawuthu. Hambani yolalana zinja.
Kanti ayipheli into. Wena ini thawuli futhi isixazululo. Na into esoyixazulula manje. Sesindiyekile ngithi. Sesindiyekile ngithi. Useke nongiyeka lo skak. Skak. Sesindiyekile ngithi. Sesindiyekile ngithi. Sesindiyekile ngithi. Hayi umsebenzi.
You know
How? Ngeke phela.
calm down. For what?
I'm coming down.
We want this to end.
Want this to end. Want this to end.
Yeah,
Ubusisi wakho tata wakho ozolalela la
we
manje.
want this to end peacefully.
Hayi, but why did you bring cameras here?
You didn't tell him. You could have
Why
told
you
him.
Akwazi ukukhuluma ngakho. Akwazi ukukhuluma nami endlini. Akwazi ukukhuluma nami endlini wena.
Nakuyena odlula. Nakuyena odlula. Ngilalelana ilwane engaphi? Lalelana engaphi? Lalelana engaphi?
Sorry, into who?
To him. For the 6 years you have wasted.
I know he's wasted my 6 years. We don't even have a child together. No, come on.
You didn't want to have a child with him.
We don't even have a child with him. No, he's my baby that we've met recently. But he's my baby that
Tell me your story.
6 years we've been married with this guy.
Yeah.
We don't even have a baby.
So
2 years we've been busy with him. We have a 1-year-old baby. This one, all he knows, telling me about his cow. You don't know this. When I get out to him. When I get out to him.
I'm trying to help you. Just tell him the truth. And then you need to end it sometime.
No, but what to see
Just tell him now. Just
What?
tell him what. It's over.
It was long over. I'm the one who called them. I'm the one who called them. So you can't control what I'm saying. You see? You see what I'm talking about?
Awasho sizoyibuka nesingisi. Mina ngifuna inkomo zami wena. Ngifuna inkomo zami wena. Ngifuna inkomo zami.
Others, we are back.
Lalela Lasipho, lalela umdala mawumngaka.
Wonke ukaya lesikafithu ukaya namhlanje.
Umdala mawumngaka. Lalela ukuthi kuthiwa lesinandaba lesolala ntuthi. Wena umdala mawumngaka wena. Umuntu lo unengane nami wena. Lalela la ukhulu. Mfazi unalindaba
Kanjani nidalana? Don't you dare. Don't touch me.
I'm trying to help you. I'm trying to help you, but you didn't help me. You want to end it. End it now. This one is a good.
It was long over. We had a child together while I was with him.
Tell him.
Ngiyamthanda phela wena ukhombisa ukuthi uyamthanda wena nje. Usisi wakho ukuthi umdala mawumngaka la. Umdala Sipho. Nangu umuntu
Ngimdala kuright
I'm really sorry, but I guess you wanted to know the truth.
Yeah.
And we did the best to get you the truth that you wanted. It's
Okay. Uthene na uyabonga ukuthi nena usikwazi ukusimbiza. Manje uyacela ukuthi sisi kwehlisa umoya. Uyacela bandla ukuthi sisi kwehlisa umoya ngoba manje sengaphezulu kwamandla akhe.
Ngaphezulu amandla ngempela manje. Yo.
I'm so sorry because I know it's very painful for you.
Yeah, it's very, very
not
painful.
6 years of being
Yeah,
married.
yeah.
And from what I gather, she's been seeing this man since they've been married because they've got a child together before they were married. So
Yeah.
it is quite painful. But I just want to say to my brother that there's always life after this. You know, you're still young. You'll be able to find someone who wants to be with you. It's a good thing that this ended this way because it could be worse.
Uyasho phela ukuthi nena uyacela ukuthi wehlise umoya ekubhlungu lokho okwenzekalayo. Uyazi ukuthi nene besisele iminyaka eminingi nindawonye. Uyacela ukuthi wehlise umoya kuzodlula impilo iyaqhubeka. I know it's hard. It's hard.
It is
Yeah,
hard.
it's
It
very,
is
very
hard,
hard.
but at least you know the truth.
Yeah.
You've exercised your right to be informed because that's what we're here for.
Yes.
We also offer aftercare. If you want, we can see you to provide that aftercare, emotional care. It's open to you guys, but I'm really sorry that, but it's the truth that you guys were looking for.
Yeah. Yes, thanks a lot for coming. You know, because we wanted to see this man because it's been a long time this girl doing this to my brother, and it's very, very painful to me as a sister.
Yeah.
You see, so I'm the one who's looking after them after my mother passed away. So we are here, and I just wanted to. It's been a long time. I've been telling my brother this girlfriend is cheating. So he was not believing in me. So that's why I called you guys to come and just show him, and you did that. And I'm glad that she is the one who sees everything in front of his eyes. So thanks very, very much.
No, it's our pleasure. But like I said, we do offer aftercare as well.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes,
You can
yes.
always contact us. We've
Yes,
got
I
our
will.
number.
Yes,
But
I will.
yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway, take care.
Siyabonga.
Take care, sis.
Thank
Take
you.
care. Thank you so much. Yeah. Take
Siyabonga.
care, my brother. Yeah. Look after yourself. Yeah. Okay. Okay. You take care. Okay.
This is Deceivers, here to call. Rational Living Channel, we stand tall. We cut through lies, we break the chains. Exposing cheaters, we bring the pain. No more whispers, no more games. We shine a light, we stake our claims. We sharpen tongues and clear.